Smartphones today aren't evolving, they're just incrementally improving. The truth is, most of the differences between new and slightly older models come down to small speed boosts, camera tweaks, and marketing magic. If you're not editing 8K videos or live streaming high-res gaming content, you're probably not even using half of your phone's capability. In fact, most mid to high-end phones from the past 3 to 4 years still have flagship level specifications such as 6 to 8GB RAM, 90 to 120Hz display, multi-core processor capable of doing AI tasks, excellent cameras with 4K video support, and that's more than enough for day-to-day use. So here's how to make your current smartphone feel like it just came out of the box. Clear cache and temporary files. Go into your storage settings and remove old app data and pictures. This frees up space and speeds up the app launches. Check your battery health. Lithium-ion batteries degrade over time. If your battery health is below 80%, your phone may automatically slow down to prevent crashes. Replacing the battery often restores full performance. Disable unused features. Turn off animations, background app refresh, location access for unnecessary apps. This reduces CPU load and improves battery life. Restart weekly. This clears memory leaks and keeps your smartphone running optimally. Update the OS. Manufacturers push important performance and security patches. Don't skip them. So if you compare two phones, one from 2 years ago and the other, which is the latest flagship today, if you look at the app launch speed, on average, the difference is less than few seconds, barely noticeable. Most smartphones since 2021 already come with 6 to 8 gigs of RAM, which is enough to keep multiple apps, browser tabs, and background tasks running. Chip performance. Sure, the new model might feature the latest chip, while the older ones does not have much performance. But on paper, there is a 15 to 20% boost in benchmark scores. But in real world use, both phones open Instagram, YouTube, Gmail, Maps instantly. Zero delays and there is no struggle. But here's the reality. Most modern smartphones are already overkill for what we actually use them for. Social media scrolling, streaming Netflix, replying to emails, GPS navigation, and even quick photo edits. These tasks barely tap into the full power of the CPU or the GPU of the new smartphones. So unless you're pushing your phone with mobile gaming at maximum settings or exporting 4K video from your smartphone, you're not even close to hitting its performance ceiling. Think about your last 24 hours with your smartphone. What did you really do? You might have checked messages, watched a few YouTube videos, took a selfie, ordered coffee, maybe took a work call. Any smartphone from the last 3 to 5 years can do all that effortlessly, and you don't need to purchase the latest smartphone. In fact, most smartphones from 2020 come with 6GB or more RAM, 120 gigs of storage, OLED displays, and 4K video support. And here's something wild. Newer smartphones often aren't leaps ahead of old ones anymore. A flagship chip from 2021 still beats many current mid-range chips in real performance. And let's not forget, new phones often remove features such as there is no headphone jack, no SD card slot, no charger, no fingerprint sensor in some models. So not only you're paying more, you're actually getting less usability in some cases. So if you feel your old smartphone's performance has dropped, you can do many things to improve the performance. Number 1. Clear up storage. Use tools like Files by Google or iPhone storage menu to delete junk and unused apps. Change battery. Most slowdowns come from degraded batteries. Replacing the battery restores speed. Use light or web versions of the app. Apps like Facebook Lite, Gmail Go, or even browser versions can make a big difference. Turn off animations. Speeds up transitions and reduce strains. If you're getting bored of your smartphone looks, then you can buy a new case for your smartphone, which can make your old phone feel premium again. Let's also talk about something that is way bigger than specifications, our planet. Over 50 million tons of e-waste is produced each year, and smartphones are a big chunk of that. Every smartphone contains rare earth metals, plastic, metals that require massive energy to mine and manufacture. So when you hold onto your phone an extra year, you're not just saving money, you're reducing waste, pollution, and carbon emissions. So The question comes, when should you upgrade your smartphone? Now, of course, I am not saying never upgrade your smartphone. You should upgrade your smartphone if your phone no longer receives security and software updates. Apps constantly crash or won't install. The battery dies in under 3 hours. Screen or internal parts are physically damaged. But if your phone is still responsive, charges fine, that's what you need. For years, we have been conditioned to believe that newer automatically means better. Every year, we see flashy advertisements, sleek designs, and promises of revolutionary change. But take a step back. How different is that upgrade from what you already have? Your current phone probably still has the fastest processor, a sharp display, and cameras that rival entry-level DSLRs. The truth is, most modern smartphones are built to last longer than what we were told. But the industry thrives when we doubt what we already own. We are told lag means outdated, when sometimes it's just cluttered storage or an app that needs to be updated. We are told battery drain is the sign of death, when a simple battery replacement can bring the smartphone back to life. We are told we need more speed, when the real bottleneck is often just too many background apps running. Keeping a phone that works isn't lazy or outdated, it's smart. You don't need a new smartphone every year, you just need to take care of the one you already have. Because real tech power isn't just in what you buy, it's how you use them for productivity. So don't let marketing pressure you into a new purchase. Your phone is still fast, still capable, and still valuable. It just might need a little cleanup, not a replacement. By keeping it longer, you're not just saving money, you're reducing electronic waste and making a more sustainable choice. You shouldn't be upgrading your smartphone unless your phone is no longer receiving security updates, the touchscreen or charging port is glitchy, you rely on your camera professionally and your current phone can't keep up, battery drains in under 3 hours even after replacement. What you should care about is the battery life, security updates, and app compatibility. If your phone still gets updates and runs your daily apps smoothly, you're good. Want better photos? Instead of upgrading, consider cleaning your lens, using third-party camera apps, editing with free tools like Snapseed or Lightroom Mobile. Customize your launcher, clean your home screen, and remove distractions. Make your phone feel new again without replacing it. If this video helped you, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. Drop a comment and let me know how old your phone is and whether you're still loving it. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart tech insights, tips, and gear breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.